CISA is all about hands-on learning in sciences and arts. I'm getting to practice real-world scenarios, especially working in labs.
That's how you're going to know what to do in your career. You'll try it out here and see if it's something you really like to do. And if not, now's the time to figure that out.
Being able to go out in the field and get hands-on, it has helped me experience what I want to with animals and different aspects of veterinary medicine. CISA taught me explore your possibilities.
I've gotten some really nice opportunities through CISA. Right now, I'm a dental assistant. I feel like CISA is just a little community of people that have taken classes already and are kind of in the same path as you.
And how close-knit the community is here. You see people on a regular basis, you see your friends a lot.
If you ever need help, ASU is there to help you.
I'm really glad I'm on this campus.